For replacing a kicked-in or damaged door jamb, choose a wood that balances strength, stability, and ease of machining. Solid pine is a practical choice for most interior jamb repairs because it machines cleanly, holds fasteners well, and is widely available in standard profiles. Select clear, straight grain stock, and acclimate it for at least 24 hours in the work environment to reduce movement after installation. For exterior doors or higher security needs, choose a hardwood such as oak or maple, which offers much greater resistance to impact and long-term wear. Note that hardwoods are heavier and require sharp tools and slower feed rates when cutting or shaping. When matching the original jamb species as possible, do that to maintain consistent expansion and finish behavior between frame and trim, which reduces gaps and finish mismatch over time. Use kiln-dried lumber rather than green stock to minimize future warping, and check for cupping or twist before fitting, which saves time and materials. Reinforce the jamb at the strike area with a solid block or a metal strike box that is through-bolted into the framing using long screws that reach the structural studs for the best hold against repeat impacts. Pre-finish or prime the replacement jamb piece on all faces before installation to seal the grain and prevent moisture uptake that can cause later swelling and paint failure. Common mistakes include using soft, cheap stock that dents and warps quickly, which you can avoid by selecting kiln-dried solid pine or a hardwood and inspecting for straightness prior to cutting. Another frequent error is relying only on short trim screws for the strike plate, which yields a weak repair. Drive 3-inch screws through the strike into the stud or install a reinforced strike box to distribute force into the framing. People also skip sealing or priming the cut surfaces, which leads to paint failure and moisture problems, so always coat all faces, including cut ends before and after fitting, and caulk joints to keep water out. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share repair tips and ask questions about materials and methods. We help contractors find work by listing projects and allowing them to engage with potential clients and homeowners looking for guidance.